protect us against harmful things. In order to show you the miracles of Allah the Almighty, and in order to glorify Allah. Okay. This is a picture. A picture of a giant crater in Arizona. A giant crater caused by a meteor that fall in Arizona in the USA. Big hole, just only caused by one meteor. What about if millions and millions and millions of meteors fall on the surface of the earth? What would happen? Everything would be destroyed. Everything would be destroyed. So, the atmosphere destroys meteors and prevents them from falling to the earth. Okay? The atmosphere destroys such meteors and prevent them from falling to the earth. So you and me and all living beings are living safely on this planet because of such protection that Allah the Almighty made it possible for us. Okay? Okay. Suppose that this meteor did fall on a big building. It would destroy it completely. And we are talking about only one meteor. One meteor. And millions, but billions of meteors are falling down from space. But all of them are destroyed. Except maybe one in a long period like this occurred in Arizona. So alhamdulillah. Thanks to Allah. Okay. We describe to you the harmful meteors coming from the space. Different direction of the space. Now I would like to present to you how we are protected, how the earth is protected against harmful radiation. Harmful radiation. You know that there are many types of radiation. The X-ray, the UV, ultraviolet, the infrared radiation, the visible radiation, the long wave radiation. Okay? These are different types of radiation. But some of these types of radiation are very harmful to living beings on this planet. Why? Because they can cause mutation in the cell or in the tissue cells. That might cause cancer. Okay, so harmful radiation. We said that there are many types of radiation. The X-ray radiation, the UV radiation, the infrared radiation. UV means ultraviolet. Okay? The visible light. The long wave radiation. Okay. Some of them are harmful to living beings, and some are not. So, the atmosphere does not allow the harmful radiation types to pass. At the same time, it allows the useful radiation to pass as a filter. The harmful radiation is the short wave radiation. The short wave radiation, like the X-ray, the ultraviolet, and infrared, to some of the infrared. Okay? Now, we have different layers, as I mentioned to you. Every layer filters a type of radiation. And either to filter it completely or to filter most of it and allow some of it, but it will not be so harmful to living beings. Okay? So, we have shortwave radiation that is harmful to living beings because such radiation causes mutation in the tissue cells that might cause cancers. Now, the atmosphere filters harmful radiation. As I described to you, harmful ultraviolet radiation is filtered by the ozone layer in the stratosphere. See, this is the picture. The ozone sphere or stratosphere. This layer filters the what? The ultraviolet radiation and protects the living beings on Earth. Protects the living beings on Earth. You see, the ultraviolet radiation reaches the ozone sphere and is reflected back. So, this kind of radiation does not pass through this layer. Okay. The infrared radiation is filtered by water vapor in the troposphere layer, the lower layer of the atmosphere is called the troposphere. And this layer is full of what? Of water vapor. The water vapor in this layer absorbs the what? Such radiation and prevent it from going down to the surface of Earth. Okay, X-ray is filtered in the ionosphere layer. In the ionosphere layer, and I told you about this. It is this ionosphere layer. So the X-ray is filtered there. These radiation types are very harmful to living beings on Earth. Therefore, they are filtered they are filtered by these different layers of the atmosphere, and alhamdulillah, thanks to Allah, that these radiation are not so harmful.